there, skincare lovers! Welcome back to Consumer Picks. Let me ask you something. Do you ever catch yourself staring at the mirror, frustrated by dry, flaky patches on your skin? Trust me, you're not alone. Dry skin can feel like a never-ending battle, but what if I told you the solution is just one product away? Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown of the 6 best moisturizers for dry skin. We've tested over 40 products and spent countless hours narrowing it down to these top picks. From affordable gems to luxurious treatments, we've got something for everyone. And the best part? We're ranking them from good to absolute game changer, so stick around to see which one takes the crown. Before we start, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews and comparisons just like this one. Oh, and all the product links are in the description below if you're ready to transform your skincare routine. All right, let's jump in and find your new Holy Grail moisturizer. Kicking off our list is Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, an excellent choice if you're searching for a moisturizer that works best at night. Nighttime is when your skin does most of its repairing, and this moisturizer is designed to support that process with a thick, creamy texture that feels luxurious on the skin. The key ingredients here are squalane, glacial glycoprotein, and proceramides. Squalane helps deeply moisturize and restore your skin's natural barrier, while glacial glycoprotein helps protect against moisture loss. What's great about this formula is that it's gentle enough for all skin types, so whether you've got sensitive or combination skin, it's a safe pick. While it's a bit on the heavier side, this moisturizer layers beautifully and gives your skin a plump, healthy glow. It's available in multiple sizes, so you can grab a small jar to try or invest in a larger one for long-term use. It's ideal for nighttime, but you can use it during the day if you prefer that richer feel. If your skin craves deep hydration at the end of the day, this one's for you. Coming in at number 5 is the Somerville KateCeuticals Total Repair Cream, a 2-in-1 moisturizer that not only hydrates, but also tackles the signs of aging. If you're looking for a product that smooths fine lines and improves skin texture, this luxurious cream is worth the splurge. What sets this moisturizer apart is its peptide-infused ceramide complex. This unique blend works to repair the skin barrier, even out redness, and improve elasticity. On top of that, it's packed with hydrating powerhouses like hyaluronic acid, squalane, and vitamin E. Together, these ingredients leave your skin feeling smooth, firm, and radiant. Although it's designed with anti-aging in mind, it's not exclusive to mature skin. Even those with oily skin can use it without worrying about breakouts. Plus, the lightweight yet creamy formula ensures your skin feels pampered without being weighed down. If you want a moisturizer that delivers hydration while giving your skin a youthful boost, Somerville's Total Repair Cream is a winner. At number 4, we have a real lifesaver for those struggling with eczema or ultra-sensitive skin. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. Developed with dermatologists, this moisturizer has earned the National Eczema Association's seal of approval for its gentle yet powerful formula. This cream is packed with skin-loving ingredients like ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which help lock in moisture and restore your skin's natural barrier. It also contains petrolatum for deep hydration and dimethicone, which improve texture and elasticity. What's great about this product is that it's free of harsh chemicals and fragrances, so even the most sensitive skin can enjoy its benefits. It's perfect for anyone looking for a no-fuss moisturizer that delivers serious results. Whether you're dealing with eczema or just need a heavy-duty hydrator for those colder months, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream is a fantastic addition to your skincare lineup. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is Buttah Skin CocoShea Revitalizing Cream, a game-changer for melanin-rich skin and those dealing with hyperpigmentation. This rich cream combines the nourishing power of cocoa butter, shea butter, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E to deeply hydrate and protect your skin. One of the standout features of this moisturizer is its ability to target dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. It's specially formulated to enhance the look and health of melanin-rich skin, making it a top pick for those who want both hydration and a more even complexion. While it's great for anyone dealing with dryness, its additional benefits for hyperpigmentation make it a standout product. If you're looking for a moisturizer that does more than just hydrate, Buttah Skin CocoShea Revitalizing Cream is definitely worth trying. Coming in at number 2 is the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors, the ultimate budget-friendly moisturizer that doesn't skimp on quality. At under $20, this cream is proof that great skincare doesn't have to break the bank. What makes this product so impressive is its formula. It's packed with skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid, triglycerides, and ceramides, which work together to hydrate and protect your skin. Plus, it's free of harsh chemicals and added fragrances, so even those with sensitive skin can use it without irritation. If you're looking for an effective, no-frills moisturizer that fits your budget, the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors is a fantastic pick. And finally, at the top of our list is the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer, our pick for the best overall moisturizer for dry skin. This product stood out across all our testing criteria, from hydration and texture to how well it worked with other skincare products. This lightweight, creamy lotion is formulated with ceramide 3, niacinamide, glycerin, and La Roche-Posay's prebiotic thermal water, all ingredients that work together to deliver intense hydration and repair your skin barrier. It's fragrance-free and free of harsh chemicals, making it a fantastic choice for sensitive, combination, or normal skin. What's more, this moisturizer is designed to keep your skin balanced and healthy long-term, not just temporarily hydrated. If you're looking for a product that ticks all the boxes, the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Moisturizer is hands down the best option for dry skin. And there you have it, our top picks for the best moisturizers for dry skin. Let us know in the comments which one you're excited to try, or if you already have a favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to Consumer Picks for more product reviews and comparisons like this, and check out the links in the description to shop these amazing moisturizers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.